Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Subaru Forester in neutral. First, find the small plastic cap near your gear shifter, often by the P indicator. Gently remove this cap using a flathead screwdriver. Next, press your foot firmly on the brake pedal. Insert the screwdriver into the exposed hole and press down on the shift lock button. While holding the button, you can now move the gear selector to neutral. Remember to replace the cap when finished. If your Subaru Forester's engine is off, or even if the battery is dead, you can still shift into neutral. First, make sure the parking brake is engaged for safety. If the battery isn't completely dead, turn the ignition to the ACC or on position. Then, press the brake pedal and move the shifter to neutral. If it's still stuck, you'll need to use the shift lock release method as described previously. Safety is paramount when putting your Forester in neutral. Always engage the parking brake before attempting to shift, especially on an incline, to prevent unintended movement. Never leave your vehicle unattended in neutral, as it could roll away. Ensure the surrounding area is clear of any obstacles or people. For the most accurate and model-specific instructions, always refer to your Subaru Forester's owner's manual. If you're having trouble, first reconfirm that you're pressing the brake pedal firmly and that the ignition is in the correct position. Ensure your screwdriver or tool is fully inserted into the shift lock release slot and pressing the button. If the issue persists, it might indicate a deeper problem like a faulty brake switch or shift lock solenoid, and it's best to seek professional assistance. Also, for a fresh car interior, check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.